Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to this Diagnostic World video. In this video we are going to demonstrate the iCarsoft MHM version 1.0 kit, diagnose and reset an airbag light here in this Honda vehicle. The MHM is suitable for Mazda, Mitsubishi and Honda vehicles. It's available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'll put the link to this kit in the description and the comments box below this video. So this is the tool itself. It's plugged into the diagnostic port as we speak, and you can see we've got the airbag light there and the alternating airbag light right there. Don't worry about the tyre pressure warning light, that's something completely different. So this video we're going to focus on the airbag light. So we're going to click into diagnostics, we're going to select Honda, and we're just going to scroll through the menu. We'll click onto manual, that allows us to actually diagnose the system we actually need. And we'll click onto SRS Supplemental Inflatable Restraint System. That's the airbag system. So we'll click OK to that. Read trouble code, and it's giving us the code, which is B0028. So if you wanted, you could go onto Google and do a lot more reading up on that. The information is open or increased resistance in the right side airbag inflator. Well, we've found a loose connection underneath the driver's seat. So we've put that back together, but obviously the warning lights are still on the dashboard here. So we need to reset the lights with this tool. And how you do that is click on to clear fault memory. And it'll give us one final warning message. Fault code and freeze data information will be erased. Are you sure you wish to continue? And we'll just click enter. Keep an eye on these warning lights. There we go, both disappeared, and that's gone back to the TPMS. On screen we've got erase operation done. So it's a success, and it's all thanks to the iCarsoft MHM version 1.0 kit, which is a fantastic little kit. As I say, it will cover lots of different systems. You know, here's just an example of the systems that it will cover. Pause the screen if you need to, but it really does cover it. You can also turn the beeping off as well, in fact. I just want to make you aware of that. But it's available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. And as I mentioned earlier, I'll put the link to this kit in the description and in the comments box below. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.